Are you feeling good today? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a drive-through video going to Ugwuaji Road. So we'll go through Ugwuaji Road. I did a video last time on this same Ugwuaji Road when they have not awarded the construction of the road. So now I'm doing a video for you to see the road construction. So this is also a good thing because I believe that the governor has heard our cry, and the road was among the newly awarded roads to be constructed, and work has started. So this also teaches us that there is power in social media, and everyone have to contribute. Because this is actually a call for our people to start bringing investments down home. I know you're not going to make a lot as you're going to make in Lagos and Abuja, but as the development keeps coming in Enugu, we'll get to that point whereby if you make the same investment here in Enugu, it will be exactly the same or even more when you invest in Lagos. So that's where we are trying to get at, because it's a good thing that we Igbos, when we invest in our own city, will get even more return of investment than when you invest in Lagos and Abuja. And I know that this will actually increase the investment we bring back home. Okay, so let's go. So here I come to the end of this video. If this video is something you like and you want your uncle, your sister, your sibling to watch it, kindly click the share button and share it to them. And if you have any comments, drop it in the comment section. And if you're a new subscriber, kindly click the subscribe button to see more videos like this coming your way. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.